How to make a fresh start to supersize your business. Of course, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom about challenges and changes today is make a fresh start. Start something over, start something new, get a fresh new start to something, maybe a project, a relationship, a product line, a business idea, a product or a service that you might want to add that adds a whole new element or solves new problems for your customers. Making a fresh start. How do we go about doing that? This is one of those idioms I couldn't find as I dug the actual etymology, meaning where the heck did it come from? We know what it means. It means to start over, to start something new, to start a new life. Maybe you start a new life after your divorce. Maybe you start a new life after you leave corporate America and strike out on your own. Whatever it is, how do you go about doing that? And how do you start fresh in anything? Well, it can be, like anything else, an 8-step process. So I found a process on there that I thought was interesting, and I like seeing how other people work and how they do their processes because it has me challenge the way I do things, the method that I use to do things. Now, the first one on the list of 8 steps to have a fresh start or how to start fresh is number 1, write down your regrets. I would call this think about lessons learned, things that you want to make sure that you don't do again in the future. Mistakes you've made, but the lessons you've learned from those mistakes or those missteps so that you don't repeat them. Number 2, set new goals. Set a goal, figure out what you want. It always boils down to, number 1, what do I want? What do you want? You have to know what you want before you can start moving toward it. Number 3, change one thing at a time. So often when we find ourselves in a challenging or a difficult situation, we want to change everything all at once. You know, we get divorced, we don't want to just get a new relationship, we want to change our body and our health and our eating, we want to change our emotional state, we want to change our business, we want to change our career, we want to change our home, we want to change our town, everything. Well, it's just like they advise you after somebody like your spouse or significant other dies. Don't make any massive major life changes within a year. Well, that's pretty hard when something happens, especially when something like a divorce happens. You have to make a whole lot of decisions and changes, and you need to do them quickly. You can't normally wait a year. So the advice is to change one thing at a time. I would echo that, you know, pick one thing and focus on that, but keep in mind that so much of our life and so much of our businesses are interrelated. So to think we're only going to change one thing at a time is challenging at best. Number 4, try new things. Be open to and flexible to try new things. Number 5, learn a new skill. Acquire a new skill. Be curious about something. Follow a new avenue. Try out a new technology, whatever it is for you, whatever helps to grow and build your business. Number 6, prioritize your health. No, there's that health thing. Because why? If we don't take care of ourselves, nothing else matters. Number 7, hang out with supportive people, people that can help you. Model, I always say, and I would add, model people that are doing what it is that you already want to do or have already done what you want to do. Model them. And number 8, get a new wardrobe. Now, again, 1 and 8 are for me, okay, it depends whether you're being yourself or not. If you're already being yourself, keep your same wardrobe. If you want to change or a lifestyle change or a business change or a focus change, I suppose getting a new wardrobe, dressing the part, is an easy visual step to help as a reminder for yourself and others what it is that you're trying to do. So I would be curious if you have, I guarantee I've used this expression, make a fresh start. Have I made a fresh start or a new start over and over and over again in my life? Yes, absolutely. With respect to businesses alone, probably 30 to 40 times I've made a fresh start in the business world. And with respect to my career, relationships, many fresh starts. I'm divorced, so maybe there'll be another fresh start in my future. But I'd love to know your experience with this expression, this idiom, what you think of it. I feel like it's a newer expression. I feel like it's from at least the 1900s, even though I couldn't find information on it. It feels to me like a newer and fresher idiom. So that's our idiom for today. I will be with you tomorrow with another challenge, change-related idiom that goes right along with our free Get Up and Go challenge this month to guarantee and help people to install a process for handling changes and challenges into their subconscious to guarantee that they'll always have better results after they experience any change or challenge than before. So you're always invited to join us there. Otherwise, go out, make it an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow for another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? How might you use it in your life? And of course, to supersize your business today. Have an awesome day. Bye.